Alright, today we are going to go underneath the house, replace a copper pipe, actually replace a galvanized pipe. Okay, so you're seeing what I'm seeing. It's right there in the tools in the side, yeah, in the inside where like the tools are on the side case.
Yeah.
I need some more slack on this light. Okay. So that dryer vent doesn't look too good. Well, that's not our job today. So we're moving on. Here's an old deleted gas line. There's the drain. There's the fireplace. Old school. Some old pipes over there that the last guy didn't take out when he redid it. Okay, so this is what we're working on today. That T right there, we gotta cut that T that goes straight, cut the line, and replace that galvanized pipe on the hot water system because they don't have no pressure in their hot water. Yeah.
Okay, I have a coupling and a motorcycle.
Okay, and we need to drill that hole. We need to drill it down more.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't see the
pipe?
I don't see the pipe.
Yeah, I thought 60 pipe, another extension.
Okay.
Okay.